Hi everyone, it's Cindy A. Lewis here, and I have another quick fall DIY for you. I've always wanted to do fall on my mantle or in my room, in my living room, and I just haven't found what I wanted. So I went to the Dollar Tree and I found these cute wood frames. They were 4x6, and I thought about painting them, but I think I'm going to leave them brown. And then I found these chipboard letters from Hobby Lobby. They were on sale, so I got them for 49 cents each. So I got the letters F-A-L-L. I'm going to paint these, and then we're going to put them in the frames, and that's going to be a really inexpensive way to decorate fall on my wall. So let's get started. Okay, so for this painting, you'll need your paint of choice, which I'm choosing the spiced pumpkin for my letters, and I may not have enough at home, so I'll either pick up some more or I'll add to it with one of my other fall colors. And you'll need a paintbrush. And basically all I'm going to do is paint the letters. I'll show you that real quick. And it may require 2 coats, but basically you want to give your letters a good coat. You can choose to use spray paint if you prefer, and this chipboard does kind of soak up the paint, so you'll want to definitely make sure that you do more than 1 coat. So I'm going to paint my letters, and then we'll be back. Now actually I'm only going to paint the sides and the front because I'm going to glue down the back, so I don't really think I need to waste my paint on the back of my letters. So So before we glue the letters in for our fall, we have to take the backings off and the glass out. So we're going to set that aside. Okay, depending on the frames that you pick up, you may have to cover this. So I cut some 4x6 pieces of black cardstock to cover so that whenever I glue my letters on, they'll be against a black background. So I'm going to glue these on here, and then we'll glue the letters on. Okay, I did decide to use my Tombow glue, the Aqua Mono liquid glue, so I could smear the glue better than I can with the glue gun. So anyway, so now we're ready to glue our letters on, and so I'm just going to glue it centered like that. Sorry, I was out of frame. So I'm going to glue it centered like that. And so I am going to use my glue gun for this, because I want to make sure that it adheres well. Sorry about that. I'm just doing great today. And if you really want to measure, you can do that. I just eyeballed it and I'm happy with that. So I think it looks really well really good. And I'm just going to put it inside the frame. Now if you want to paint your frames, of course I said that you could do that. I'm just going to show you what the letter looks like in the frame, and I think it looks adorable. So I'm going to do the rest of them, and then we'll see what it looks like in the end. Okay, here we go. Now there are a lot of things that you could do with this. You could glue these together. You could do them top to bottom and do fall that way. You can hang them on the wall separately. You can stand them up, because these are stand-up frames. So it's however you would like. You can embellish these more if you don't want it plain. So anyway, I hope I've inspired you to create, and you have a wonderful fall season.